Now that we have become familiar with classes in Dart, we are ready to introduce a new special type of class, which is called an abstract class. So what is an abstract class? An abstract class is a class that defines some methods and properties without specifying how they are implemented. So let's take a look with an example. I'm going to clean this code first, and then I can type in abstract class shape, and then curly braces, and then inside here I'm going to define a method which returns a value of type double. The method is called area, and then I'm going to have open and close brackets, and then a semicolon, just like this. Notice how I'm not providing a body for the area method in this class, and instead I only declare the method itself. So one important thing to know is that abstract classes can't be instantiated. So what does this mean? In the main method over here, I could type in final shape equals shape, like this. But as you can see, the compiler shows us an error telling us that we can't create an object of type shape. And this is because shape is an abstract class. So what are abstract classes useful for? Well, they can help us to define an interface that is common to multiple classes. To show you what I mean, I'm going to create a new class that implements the shape abstract class. So here I can type in class square implements shape, like this. And as we can see, the compiler tells us that we need to implement the area method from the shape class. So let's do that. In here we can type in double area, open and close brackets, and then I'm going to use the arrow operator, and then for now just return 0.0, just like this. And this is just so that we can make the compiler happy. Of course, this is not a good implementation of the area of a square. So what we are going to do now is to add a new variable, which we are going to call final double side, just like that. And in order to initialize that variable, we are also going to add a constructor. So here I can type in square, and then open and close brackets, and then open and close curly brackets. And here I can say this.side, just like this. And now that we have a side property, we can use it to return the correct value for the area. So here we can type in side times side, like this. And now that our square class is ready, we can create a square. So we're going to delete this line over here, and then we're going to type in final square equals square with side, which is 10.0, for example. And then we can print square.area, like this. And now we could run this code, and we can see that on the console log we get the area, which is 100. So let's continue on the next video.